Hey, Zachary. 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 When you coming home? I can't wait to see you. Say, where's Zachary? Where's Zachary? Zachary. It says with Zachary. He's at school. Wait, is he at school? Is Zachary at school? He's at college. He is. Look, he's coming home. Yes, he is. He's coming home. In 5 days. 5 days. Yes. Okay. Alright, you okay with that? You gonna go to sleep now? Huh? You're gonna go to sleep? You go to sleep and you dream about Zachary. Okay, say goodnight, Zachary. I love you, Z. Say I love you, Z. Say I love you.